Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Madam Speaker, I thank the Honourable Member for this question because smuggling, obviously, and breaches of our border is a very, very critical and important issue which we need to address. In respect of the actual data that the Honourable Members requested from 2006 to 2015, unfortunately in 2006 they did not keep any such records. This record keeping of smuggled goods and various other illegal activities, undeclared goods, commenced in 2007. Statistics we received in 2006, there were no records kept. 2007, of course, when the Beni Marama government came in, record keeping started, and there were 11 such cases. 2008, there were 12 cases. 2009, 15 cases. 2010, 17 cases. 2011, 11 cases. 2012, 22 cases. 2013, 34 cases. 2014, 17 cases. In 2015, there were 24 cases. In all of the above cases that were reported, Madam Speaker, investigations were made, and where appropriate, charges were laid, items were confiscated for destruction where necessary. In other cases, Madam Speaker, for import of non-prohibited items, after investigations concluded, the importers were allowed time to reclaim their items. Currently, there are some cases before the court. Of course, Madam Speaker, pursuant to the confidentiality provisions, we do not have the names of these entities or the individuals, but these are the records that have been provided to us by FICA. Thank you, Madam Speaker.